Hi, I'm Nick Adams, the founder and managing director of Dieselmatic, the premier marketing agency specializing in heavy-duty repair. At Dieselmatic, we provide expertise in digital marketing with a deep understanding of the commercial repair industry. This combination means that we're not just a dime a dozen agency, but a place that can truly partner with you, understand your business, and help you achieve your goals. We can build you a premium website that's easy to navigate and shows potential customers exactly what services you offer. We'll manage your search engine marketing, that's your Google ads, as well as search engine optimization, which makes it easier for search engines to show your diesel repair shop to potential customers. There's a lot of other cool stuff we can do too, like produce blog content and spruce up your social media marketing. Plus, we'll handle all the tracking. I'm not joking around when I say you won't have to lift a finger. All you have to do is keep turning wrenches and we'll handle the rest. Dieselmatic is entirely results driven. Everything we do is to ensure your shop sees value for your investment. Speaking of results, here's just a few examples of the difference our work makes. We took a shop from 1 call per week to 5 calls per day, a $52,000 monthly revenue increase. Another shop saw a 228% increase in phone calls and a 181% increase in driving directions requested from Google Maps. Other shops we've partnered with have seen more than a 3,800% increase in phone calls from their website and a 100% boost in their site's conversion rate. Are you ready to turbocharge your shop's marketing and get the kind of business that will help you expand? You can request a consultation right now by clicking the link under this video. I can't wait to show you how we can help your business grow.